bus stop like that. I'm waiting for my friend. She's just coming into Nigeria for the first time in, I think, like 5 years, 6 years, since 2019. So we planned to meet up earlier, and we're supposed to meet somewhere, but it just didn't happen. So now we are meeting here. I'm just happy because it's like a mini reunion. I mean, since 2019, she's also here with one of my other friends. I mean, I'm happy to see both of them. So nice to see you.
Say hi, you guys.
Hi. Oh, okay, I'll say at the back. No problem. Is that the guy? Winning.
He's winning and he keeps lying in the class.
Finish here. Ha!
Scary.
Oh, scary. I'm afraid.
Oh, yes. Check, you're just enjoying this. I'm just making a video. You look really nice. At least look at us now. I like the look. So guys, this is the morning after the games diet. I'm going to be indoors trying to get some work done. Then after that, I'm going to go to the arts and crafts market. I've always wanted to go to the arts and crafts market. So I'm happy that that's going to be happening today. Let me just finish the things I need to do before they come back so that I know that we're ready.
But the safest way is to Greece because Greece is not.
Finish them on fight us. If them they run them no fit catch up. I know they form say I too righteous. No con they form say you too like us. You know get the time for the hate and the bad energy. Got my mind on my mind. Make you dance like steady clean like properly. Steady on my grind, no one hear what they want. Telling me good enough my fantasy. What they change my happy. But it ain't rush forever, it be much. Now go they make my car be the rush. I'm on in the crush. Yeah, it ain't rush forever, it be much. Behind everybody be crush. Slow down in the
I'm going to eventually make it to the art and crafts market, and that's because it rained heavily today, and so the place was very, very flooded. So instead of going to the art and crafts market, we decided to come to Art Cafe and grab a drink and take a look at what they have here in terms of art at their gallery.
Chilling on the west side, call my home, go tell your best friend. Decide to on the road, no location. I I don't want them seeing you getting faded. You should come through.
Yeah, exactly. We don't get the credit.
They won't tell 'cause they're trying to live their best life too. On the low, on my own, I'll be waiting. Put me on the phone, I'll be waiting. Yeah, almost missing my flight today. I look good even though I feel shitty. I just got back out this way. You already got plans for the city. Call them off 'cause you call them off for me. You're always going on and on. Got it all, ask me why I'm not
Bless you,
leaving.
goodbye.
I don't go out much, but you should come through tonight. I'm chilling on the west side, boo. Call my home girl, tell your best friend to slide too on the low.
Can I enter? Let it rain to come and get food. From here, we'll just be going back to where we've been staying for the last couple of days. So my friend is in Nigeria for a wedding, and we're hanging out with her this period.
It's over.